the powerful lemon ginger juice that helps eliminate uric acid crystallization and prevents gout. Gout is a nasty form of arthritis that will reoccur in painful episodes unless the underlying issue is treated. Unfortunately, people who are overweight, taking diuretics, or people whose diet has a high amount of meats and fish are uniquely susceptible to gout. Luckily, research has revealed a few natural ingredients that can help prevent the underlying cause of gout, uric acid crystallization, so you don't have to suffer from that awful pain, stiffness, and inflammation. What is uric acid crystallization? Uric acid is produced when purine, a natural substance in your body, breaks down. Uric acid passes from your blood to your kidneys and ends up in your urine where it exits your body. Sometimes, when the levels of uric acid in the blood are too high, the kidneys cannot filter the acid and it builds up in joints and soft tissues, forming crystals that cause pain, swelling, and inflammation. Eating meat and seafood and drinking lots of alcohol and high fructose beverages can worsen the condition. Fructose is the only carbohydrate that researchers have confirmed to raise uric acid levels in the body. Eating high fructose foods can spike uric acid levels in your blood, so eating lots of low fructose foods, such as cucumber, celery, ginger, and lemon can lower uric acid levels. Cucumber. Research proves that cucumber can reduce uric acid levels. Healthy men and women over the age of 60 added cucumber supplements to their diet for 30 days. The cucumber supplements did not just lower their uric acid level, but they also decreased the rupturing of red blood cells and provided them with more vitamin C, which also lowers uric acid levels. Celery. Luteolin, a substance that pigments plants, can inhibit a type of enzyme called xanthine-oxidase, which accelerates the production of uric acid. Luteolin is one of the main components of celery and green peppers, and researchers found that it inhibits the enzyme by changing its environment and structure. Celery is also a low glycemic index food, lowers fat, improves blood circulation in the arteries, and has antioxidant properties. Ginger. 6-Shoja'ol, an active constituent in ginger, was isolated and tested on mice in an in vivo study and on cells in an in vitro study. Both studies demonstrated that this constituent has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can fight the inflammation caused by uric acid crystals. The researchers concluded that 6-Shoja'ol can be effective in the treatment of gouty arthritis. Lemon. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which can lower the concretion of uric acid in the blood. About 1,300 men completed questionnaires about their diet, and then researchers collected blood samples. The study found that men who included more foods rich in vitamin C in their diet had lower concentrations of uric acid. How to make juice that fights uric acid crystallization. This simple juicing recipe is an easy way to take advantage of cucumber, celery, lemon and ginger's health benefits and easily help prevent gout and inflammation. Ingredients: 1 medium-sized cucumber, 2 stalks celery, 1 slice lemon, 1 1-inch young ginger root. Instructions: wash ingredients thoroughly. Cut cucumber and celery into small pieces. Peel and chop the ginger root. Add the slice of lemon along with the other ingredients and juice them together. You can drink the juice every day and even twice a day for faster results. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.